Next up, we have Sami Mirhasani, a doctoral student in civil engineering. Her presentation is titled, Solving the Puzzle of Construction Delays and Cost Overruns. Sami, welcome to the stage.
It's most people's dream to own their own house, but this dream is becoming harder to achieve. Based on the US Census Bureau report, the median home prices increased about 50% in the last 10 years. However, productivity in construction decreased 20% from 1995 to 2015, which shows productivity isn't keeping up with the price growth. However, the promising point is that better construction planning can boost productivity by up to 50%. This is where my research comes in. Today, I'll talk about current challenges in construction planning and how 3D simulation and visualization tools can be integrated to help stakeholders make better decisions before a construction begins. Here is a time-lapse video of HCIC project here in Corvallis. As you can see, there are so many things happening at the same time. One reason that productivity is decreasing is that projects are inherently complex, like a difficult puzzle. In the real world, you only have one chance to solve the puzzle. In the virtual world, you get many chances. The pieces of the puzzle for a construction planner are timing, activity sequences, the building product, site layout, and resources like equipment, materials, and labor. The current techniques address some of these, not all of them. For example, one method is discrete event simulation, which represents construction processes as flowcharts using rectangles for individual activities, circles for resources, and arrows for the sequences. So it addresses some of the pieces, but it doesn't cover everything. And if it looks difficult to understand, it is. The second tool is Building Information Modeling, or BIM. With BIM, detailed 3D models can be created. So we have the building product, but not the ongoing site elements and operations. So bringing those elements to life happens through a game engine called Unity. Maybe it's time to play some games. With this powerful tool, we can have real-time 3D visualization of construction site operations. However, Unity still needs to be integrated with the simulation data. My research addresses all of those puzzle pieces using these 3 tools in one integrated platform. And I'm using Python, a popular programming language, to combine them and handle data exchange between them. To see the results, you can use any device with an internet connection and walk through the construction site in 3D. In this example, you can see how different processes are happening inside the factory. Everything is working together to solve the puzzle for building a modular house. Pretty cool. My next example is earth moving operation to show the equipment movements and interactions. I can also add or remove resources, like changing the number of trucks or excavators. This 3D plot shows unit cost based on the number of trucks and excavators. The colors shows different scenarios where I've changed the number of vehicles in operation to calculate the immediate impact on timing, cost, and productivity to choose the best option. My next step is a virtual HCIC project. The goal is to create an integrated simulation similar to what we see here in a real-world time-lapse video, and then maximize the simulation's accuracy and usability. So we've seen that current planning tools lack integration. By combining spatial data with discrete event simulation, we can address more pieces of the puzzles in one easy-to-use platform. I hope that this virtual dynamic simulation platform can help teams build smarter, safer, and faster, making housing more affordable for everyone.